On today's video, I will show you Coinmarketcap. So let's roll the cameras and let's start. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is me Digital Digits bringing you a weekly video on cryptocurrency news. On today's video, I won't be talking about the news, I'll be talking about a website called Coinmarketcap where it lists cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are listed on this website from the top 100. So the maximum numbers of cryptocurrencies out there is approximately 3,000. So there's approximately 3,000 cryptocurrencies available for you guys to purchase. So let's start with the video. Currently now it lists the top 100 cryptocurrencies in the market. The market cap is the amount of money put in the cryptocurrency. So here there's roughly 2 trillion bitcoins that are put in. So I changed this to US dollars. So there's approximately 145 billion bitcoins, not bitcoins, the money put in purchased bitcoins. So they listed by the market cap, the amount of money put in to purchase the bitcoins. And the price of the bitcoin is approximately 8,000 for the cryptocurrency. So Coinmarketcap has a market cap and the price is the price of the cryptocurrencies. The volume is the amount traded every day. It's the amount traded on a daily basis, and at this instance in 24 hours. So the circulation supply means the amount of cryptocurrencies left for everyone to purchase, because each cryptocurrency has its own scarcity. The bitcoins can finish, or even Ethereums can finish one day. So, and that will push the price up. The change is the change in price, the percentage change in price on that day. Then here is the price graph to see if the price is moving up or down. So at the top there where it says BTC dominance. BTC dominance is where how competitive Bitcoin actually is compared to the other coins. So currently Bitcoin is 66% compared to the other alternative cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin has a huge dominance. So people prefer Bitcoin at this current stage, but the dominance decreased, I think, a day ago. So maybe is it altcoins time to take over the dominance? We'll see that in the future. So the dominance is where all of the market cap of Bitcoin is compared to the other cryptocurrencies, and so Bitcoin is leading the way. There's a chart which can show you the Bitcoin dominance. On this chart, it shows a brief description of the Bitcoin dominance. The huge part is the Bitcoin dominance, and those lower lines at the bottom are the other cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is the highest performing cryptocurrency compared to the other cryptocurrencies. So this is a good thing for Bitcoin, so which means Bitcoin is forever increasing. So let's look at the other coins before we wrap up this video. These are the other coins that are on the top 100 list of cryptocurrencies, and which are determined by the amount of money invested in these tokens or cryptocurrencies. So if you want to see the highest performing cryptocurrencies, you press on the change 24-hour button. So let's look at the top performing cryptocurrencies. So it's Solve, SyntaxNet, and NEM are the highest gainers for the day. They performed well for the last 24 hours. Then let's look for the other cryptocurrencies that perform bad. So these cryptocurrencies are the ones that are currently performing the worst. Engine, iToken, EduK, Rift token, they're losing money. If you put your money here, you'll be losing a lot of money, depending on how much you purchased each of these cryptocurrencies. So we can also look at the biggest cryptocurrency with the most trading volume. Let's have a look. It's Tether. Tether lost 0.09% today. Tether is the main cryptocurrencies with the largest trading volume. most of the time people will buy Tether to invest in other cryptocurrency coins. So even the big institutions, big funders, big money players tend to buy Tether and then buy other cryptocurrencies. Even if they sell their bitcoins, they usually sell and store them in Tether. Tether, you can say it's like a physical money, sort of physical money, which can buy cryptocurrencies. So I've showed you everything you need to know about Coinmarketcap. This is gonna be it for today's video. Make sure you stay digital.